Great, looks like I had to... Notre Dame de Paris. I think I'll go there. Wait! You can't go in there. Why not? 'Cause it's dangerous. No, it's not. It's not that dangerous. As the many years passed, it's not that dangerous anymore. Yeah, and just like the movie The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Eh? How did you know that? I watched it when I was a little kid. So, why are you in Paris? I'm not sure. Why? I have been to Paris with Tyler. He was a very nice, and I eliminated from the competition, and I fell in Paris. Whoa, you've been there? Oh, that was nice. Come on, let's go check it out. Are you coming first? Okay. Then this not be dangerous at all. What is sanctuary? Hello? 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 Dude, where are we? This isn't an evil area. It's a church. And just like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Just like in the movies. See, it was nothing. Oh, I was wrong. Yeah. Bummer. Is you Frank? Andy Panda, Andy Panda, Andy Panda. Nope, he's not here. Okay, he's not in here. And he's not of Notre Dame. Well, looks like the battle mode tournament is right. That's it! That's it! You're right! We're gonna have a battle mode tournament! That's a good idea! Yes, got your carts, and we're gonna have a battle mode tournament here on Paris. Do you really think so?